Alright, so you have been wondering how can you make attractive thumbnails like this? I want to add my picture on my thumbnails just like this one here. How do I do that? So in this video now, I'm going to show you how you can do that easy and soft. When you're easy and soft, it's very very easy. So what you have to do now is open your Chrome or any browser you are using over there. Okay, open any browser and search for remove.bg. Yeah, remove.bg. Okay, remove.bg. So this is what will help you remove your background photo very very easy. Let's say this our background photo. Let's download this. No, this is a video. Let's download a photo of somebody's surprise once image of somebody that is surprise man. Okay, so let's say this is your photo now. This photo has a background before, so let's just download it. Okay, so you go back to your remove.bg, you upload the image. Done. Just look at this now. Okay, this is good, you can see it. This is good. So now let me just download a video. Okay, let's go to Canva. So you have to go to Canva to edit this thumbnail. So Canva, so when you enter, you go to Canva, you log in. This is free, you can use the free. If you have the premium version, there is no problem using the premium version. Also, it's also good. So now when you scroll down on the Canva, you are going to see YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so let's just pick this one. Okay, let's pick this one. So you can see this girl picture. The girl's picture is like it's moving separately. You can see how it's moving. So let's delete this. Okay, let's delete it and add the one we remove. We remove the background. Let's see if it will be different or the same, so you know what I'm saying is real. So let me add the picture now. Look at it. Okay, let it load here. Boom. Can you see it? Can you see this? You can see the picture is different. You can see it. So when you put this now, you can just edit your text. How to, like, you snap a picture of yourself pointing at that stuff. So once you do it, you edit round. If it's text, you edit text. You just use this way to edit your text. Edit your text here. If you want to add anything, you can just press the plus button and bring in more stuffs like elements, frame, all these kind of stuffs. Okay, something like this, you can bring them in and edit them on it. So this is how you create a very very good thumbnail. Just play around with it and you enjoy it too. If you really enjoyed this video, please do me a favor to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell icon. And now what the notification bell icon does is that whenever a new video you drop on the channel, you'll be the first to get notified and you'll be the first to watch it and also drop on me. So how to save the video now? When you look at the top here, you see the arrow pointing up. So you just click on download, then you wait for it to load, then you click download. Yeah, this is where you click download. Okay, download it and boom, it's done. Can you see? It's very very easy. So you just click, it's downloading and it has download finished. So this is how you do your Canva, your cover photo, your thumbnail. Very very easy. So if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, also turn on the bell icon, subscribe, and have a nice day.